Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. Carlos here with Bearable Traders, and just want to make a quick video on Capital Markets Elite Group new commission and new lower ECN fees. So, right, Capital Markets Elite Group, also known as CMEG in our community, they have a new rate that is very competitive to what we had before. And for offshore brokers, is actually a very good commission structure. So, let's start with the numbers. So, the new commission rate now is 0.004. Instead of $2.95 per ticket, you're now getting it per share. And again, this is a very good competitive rate. Lower ECN fees as well is now 0.0025, so you're saving in ECN fees as well. How does this work? So this is a new route they created called Smart Lamp, right? LAMP. That's the new route that allows you to take advantage of this new commission rate. Now, that's not the only thing you have to do. You also have to be part of the Bearable Traders community. So when you send them over your Bearable promotional code, they will apply this commission structure to you. So let's look at the video to see how fast this new route is. How fast does it execute? I want to show you guys a live video that I did yesterday on a trade and kind of go over the specific numbers for this trade. Here's the live recording. As you can see, I have 800 units sitting on the ask waiting to be filled via the route LAMP, which is the new route they created for us. The way to select that route is that you select limit or market from your drop down routes, and that is the smart route that will automatically send your order via LAMP. So you're not going to see ALMP on the route. When you select market or limit, it's going to go directly to that route. So here, as you can see, I was filled 800 units at 540. And just want to show you some numbers here. So let's look at how fast the execution was. So I set my trigger at 9:31:06. That's when my order was there, waiting to be filled. And then it got filled at 31:20. That's where you see the 14 seconds delay. On the next execution, where I take some partials out, right, you're going to see that take off 200 units, 25% of my shares. You're going to see here shortly when it comes down around 5:30ish or so. You're going to see how fast that executes. You don't even see it pop up into this screen here. That's how fast the execution is after I send my order over. You can tell also how fast that was executed, because if you look at the time, I executed it at 32:25. It was triggered seconds later, and you're going to see how fast that fill is. And this is running at regular speed. I'm not forwarding it. I'm not slowing it down. So there it is, my fill at 5:32. So let's go over to the actual numbers. So you can see here on this one where I got filled at 5:32, and here's the actual P&L, 16 bucks on that trade. And then I also confirmed this on my statement as well. So let's look at the statement from yesterday. So here's the 800 where I paid $3.20 for the commissions and $2 for the ECN fees. That calculates out to the numbers we talked about earlier. On the partial fill of, the partial covering at 200, I sold 200 units of the 800 units I had left. So there the commission was 80 cents and the ECNs was 50 cents. Also keep in mind the minimum commission is going to be 50 cents. So if you trade 100 shares, 50 shares, the minimum commission is 50 cents. Now up to the point where the percentages kick in. So if you trade one share, it's not going to be one share times the percentage times the cents of the commission per share is going to be 50 cents. And then here you can see I took the rest out, and as you guys saw, this thing squeezed up crazy all the way up here. So I'm glad I got out of this trade with a small win. But again, the purpose of this video is to see how low the commissions are and how they work. Again, we're going to have a class as well, a workshop next week live for the members at 12 p.m. Eastern time during market hours. So we'll have that live workshop about small accounts. So definitely tune into that. We can talk a little bit more about this with CME and how the commission structure works. But as you can see here, this is a very competitive pricing for any offshore broker that we've seen. This is probably like the best one we had so far. In the past, this trade here would have been $2.95 for this one here, $2.95, $2.95, and $2.95. So you're already looking at a huge saving just there alone. Because this would you'd have been hit with what is that, 295 times 4. What are we looking at? Let's get my calculator out because I'm not a math whiz. That is an average of a total of $11.80, right? So you would have been getting hit with that 295 plus whatever the ECN fees were, which were higher than what they are now. So this could have been a very expensive trade. Now the total commissions for this trade, including the partials, comes out to $7.48. not including the security fees and this here's the security fees exchange and the FINRA fees. That's very small, not including that. That's how much this comes out to, which is a huge savings for you. So definitely check it out. I'm going to put a forum post as well, and I'll link that under the comments. Make sure you go over at bearbulletraders.com and check how you could be part of this new commission structure, and talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday.